welcome back to my channel. My name is Ajane, and today's video is a kind of tutorial on this look that I have. Today I'm using this brush set from Eco Tools, a brand that can be found at Walmart for a relatively cheap price. I think this set was about $5 or less, and it contains 4 brushes, a flathead, a fluffy, a shader, and a crease brush. And this is the palette that I will be using from Ulta today. I am taking this tan color and I'm setting the concealer that I previously placed on my eye. I'm taking the shader brush and this teal matte shade and placing this color in my outer V. Now I'm going to take the fluffy side of the brush, dip back into the teal shade, and blend out the color a little more. So I did not show this on camera, but I did go back in and deepen the outer V and then cut my crease. And now I'm taking the teal shimmer shade and placing it all the way to midway through the cut crease. Now I'm getting a new brush and dipping into this fuchsia shade and bringing it all the way to where the teal shade ended. Right where those two shades meet, I will place an orange on top of it to create an ombre effect. This set also contains a blush and highlight palette, and in this I will be using that dark pink and the gold. Off camera I did add eyeliner and mascara. This is an Ulta Duo pencil liner thing, and it has a brown and a black. I'm using the black to darken my under eye and the brown to line my lips. and provide you with a picture of what the set looked like. Now I'm using this lip gloss in the shade Clay to put in the center of my lips. I hope you liked it. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share if you would like. And I appreciate the show support. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.